请先让车上乘客落车。前往台湾的列车即将到达，请先让车上的乘客下车。
Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to the MTR channel. After how many weeks is that?
1 or 2.
1.5 weeks probably. Done with all of the COVID testing and 4 negative, and the last one is
Also negative.
yeah. There it goes. There he goes. Hey, Chris is here. Very excited for today's MTR filming. Finally back with more requests. In the vlog later tonight, I'm gonna talk about the requesting system. Some of you guys still not really sure and not really maybe familiar with the new system. So later on, we're gonna talk about that. A C430. So start with an easy video all the way to Chai Wan, and we'll start the vlog there. But the vlog will be for tonight, so remember stay tuned for the premiere. What's the number of this train? Oh,
What?
number 1. It's number 1, so. And it's a Chris video with this train. Quad KS Jet Nice. Now, right now, I'll be avoiding Shatin because, yeah. When I said avoiding areas, you guys will know why later on. For sure, you guys will know why. There's only one reason for why we're avoiding the areas. And also because of not filming MTR and mostly filming buses over the last 2 weeks, I've like not taken the M trains for over 2 weeks now. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the Christmas videos while I'm going MIA for the last 2 weeks.
Like 2 or 3 videos. Regular videos.
2 or 3. Tycoon. Now so far 8 one is marked down, which is gonna do it today. 7 more train requests so far in the Google form lined it up, and also 9 bus requests lined it up. So Later on, we're gonna talk more about the requesting system, how it works, and maybe you guys still not familiar with it. We'll deal with it later on. 左邊嘅車門將會打開，下一站西灣河，左邊的車門將會打開。Next station, Chai Wan Ho. Doors will open on the left. And a terrible stopping spot. Chai Wan. The fifth wave of COVID-19 in Hong Kong has begun and is already here, so oh man, that's why I'm still in Hong Kong. I cannot even go to Australia yet. And the biggest problem is I may not even go to Australia at the end. So of course I will address you guys later on, but for now we're stuck in Hong Kong. Chai Wan. Are we gonna do the end of FB and CTB announcements? Not Chai Wan, it's Chai Wan. Chai Wan, next stop, Chai Wan. 下一站筲箕湾。
Pretend like your 2C door is closed.
No sounds. Woo! Now I'm not so sure about whether this is true or not. Maybe some Singaporeans can actually help me answer this question. I think the C651s and the C151 of Singapore MRTs are retired. Not so sure if that's true or not, but maybe you guys can help me out in the comments if you guys can hear me right now. The train, and hopefully Chris will accept this, that from now on, basically every single video there will be swearing happening.
What's swearing?
AKA Bao Cho.
bad.
I know it's kind of sarcastic that I actually say this, but when we, being as a YouTuber, really want our subscribers to watch our videos, we all think that subscribers should, when they subscribe, that means they really should watch our videos instead of just subscribing.
Yeah.
But in our minds, when I subscribe to other channels, I basically don't even watch the videos.
You watch it for a while.
I watch it like for a while and it's like, oh, that's basically it. Alright, bye-bye. Just like maybe I can play a Gordon Ramsay right here. That's enough. You. Fuck off upstairs. In the kitchen. Obsessed with watching Gordon Ramsay right now.
This is an English champ.
You're doing that just on pot like that and you put all the stuff like that? You shit. You're so shit.
请问他们 Samuel， 请不要靠近车门。Please stand back from the train doors.
Looks like some what's that one? Farting action going on over that way. And 法亲。下一站 Chai Wan. Next station, Chai Wan. Yeah, later on, if you guys know what's gonna happen, more Tin Ma line. Basically, can I even avoid Tin Ma line right now? Actually, I don't know whether Chris went to. I don't think yesterday race course is open. Although there are racing in Sha-Tin, but no crowds are allowed, so I don't think they open race course. Yeah, doors will open on the right. Which the lights are not on. 右邊個車門將會打開 Doors will open on the right. I just find it very funny that probably in my opinion, 普通話 is way easier to speak than English for these drivers. But the thing is, they don't even give a fuck about the 普通話 section. When they do their announcement on themselves, they just do Chinese and English.
Yeah.
They don't even they don't even care about the 普通話. So, alright, here's Chai Wan, the first video of my comeback. And we'll do the vlog now, but we'll do the vlog at the end of the day. So hope you guys enjoyed this comeback video. Just a very short, not really actually very short. Very short means one station journeys, but very little quick journey video. What the hell am I talking even? But here's Chai Wan, and we'll do some stuff afterwards. And also because of a comeback, of course we're gonna do a new series later on. So remember, stay tuned for that. Not gonna be very exciting of a series, but we'll do something else later on. Till next time, click on these videos up top and check out the links in the description. Peace!